If you're lucky enough to find one of these coins, you could be sitting on a Lincoln penny worth over $100,000. This is the 1914 Lincoln cent, but these are by no means a rare coin in their normal form. After all, over 4 million of them were minted at the San Francisco Mint. What would make this coin extremely valuable would be if it was in a pristine condition despite being over 100 years old. As pictured here, this coin that sold for $105,000 is graded PCGS MS66 red. So this specific coin is in pristine condition, even though it's withstood the test of time. There is no noticeable bag marks on the coin's surface, and it has retained its original bright orange copper color. If you were to ever come across a coin that looked like this one, you could make tens of thousands of dollars in auction by selling it. For a coin like this to survive so long in pristine condition, it is evident that a collector in San Francisco back in 1914 must have set it aside before it could become tattered and worn through circulation. What a beautiful 1914 Lincoln penny. Let me know what you think in the comments below about this valuable Lincoln cent, and let me know what you've come across in your coin and bill searches lately. I'll see you in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.